How you doing, my beautiful Jays? Welcome back to my homie Casas to Casa. Today I have an exciting video for you guys and also for me because it's been a long time since I have received one of these boxes. Now, any information about this box will be in the description box below, so don't forget to go in there and check it out. So let me just jump into this video because it's really quick. So I haven't been in Influenster website for a while, and I was so amazed to realize that I received a Influencer box. Don't know the theme, don't know nothing about it. All I know that they sent me an email a long time ago. You know, those emails that say that congratulations, you'll be chosen, and then you do like a little survey type of information, and then you know, you put your address and all that stuff, and then if you are chosen, you get a box. So I got chosen, I received this box, and the cool thing about it, the more you are active in this website, you get chances to get boxes like this one, smaller, medium size, larger. So the more active you are in the website, and it's free to begin with, you know, nothing to do but just to go in there, review products, comment, answer questions, etc. And being that said, you know, I got one of the little ones, but it sounds like there's one or two things in there, so let's just open it. So I took away the little, you know, stickers that comes in the side to close the box. And inside the box it says, be loud, be proud, be an influencer right here on this side. And in the opposite side it says Influenster.com. And all I got is actually one item. And it's the Pro Collagen Advanced Eye Cream and Eye Treatment. Advanced Eye Treatment. The rich marinade active helps to smooth and firm skin, reducing the appearance of illness and wrinkle. Now, they said that 91% people that use this agreed that the eye area feels and looks more rejuvenated. Now, this is from Elemis, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And it says your Influencer box includes the little item right here, which is Pro Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment, and this is a full size 0.5 US floor ounces. And guys, this is a $68 value. Now, you know, this is why I love all these free websites, because you go in there, do what they ask you to do, you get free products in the mail to review, give your honest opinion if you feel like it. Some of them you don't have to do nothing, but some of them you do, like Influencer. You might have to do a video, you might have to go in the app and do a couple of steps in there in order to continue to qualify for the boxes. But this is a 68 value, and let me just say, mama right here is always in a budget. There is no way that I probably would have picked this on my own, so I am very fortunate to receive this product. Now it says you can find these at Influencer, Ulta Beauty, and Elements.com. So yeah, I am so excited, guys. And it's an anti-wrinkle eye serum for fine lines and wrinkle around areas. It says Padina, Pavanica, amino acids, blue flower linseed, and it firms and smooth hydrates. So this is how the bottle looks. And I love the fact that it's a pump and it's water based. It looks like water. Doesn't have a really strong medicated smell. It smells good. And it feels good. It feels good in your skin so far. And I will say that it does hydrate a lot. And doesn't leave no residue. So I'm good with that, and it absorbs quickly. This is my normal hand, and this is how my face will look like. So I decided to try this. Now, after I try this, after a couple of days, I probably will come back and tell you my full honest review on it. And being that said, I'm so thankful that I received this by Influencer.com. You rock, because I, mamita, needed this, as you can see. So being that said, I see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.